Hi everyone, it's Kino here. Thanks so much for joining me on this Yoga for Pain Relief series. This class is all about how to heal your wrists with the yoga practice. So I've had a lot of wrist injuries, and this is something that has really helped me recover from a series of wrist issues. So let's get started. Close your eyes, bring your hands together, a deep breath in. As you exhale, rest your hands down. Tune into your hands and feel your fingers. Feel the hands and feel their connection through the arms into the chest and the throat. And then allow yourself a long, deep breath in. And as you exhale, let's open the eyes. All right, so the first thing that I want you to do is to place the hands back into prayer position and just grip your fingertips and kind of root those in together and just kind of press the heels of the hands. All right, we'll hold that for 5 breaths, and we have 1. Don't do prayer like this every time, just right now for 3, 4, and 5. Good, and let's shake out the hands. Excellent work. Sometimes when we have wrist pain, the wrist is either not strong enough or not flexible enough. Let's work on strength. Inhale, take your hands above your head and open the hands wide as you can. Let's close the hands, open the hands, close the hands, open the hands, close the hands, open, and let's do it faster, 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 faster. Nice, that's it. Keep the navel in, keep the arms integrated into the torso. Looking good. Okay, let's do like 5 more times. The wrists are getting fatigued. That's excellent. Good. 2 more times. Hold it open. Hold it closed. Relax your hands. Give them a little shake. Shake from the elbows and bring it all the way down. Nice. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is a little bit of like wrist push-ups. This really helped me strengthen the wrist. You're going to take the hand and just root it down, or take the forearm and root it down onto your thigh. And then we're going to close, make a fist, hold the fists, then open the fists as you extend the fingers, close the fist, lift it up. We're going to do 5 times. That was 1. Open the fingers, close, lift it up. We got 3 more. Good. It's minute work, so be very specific. And what you feel, bring it up. That's good. Keep going. We're gonna let's do 1 more time. Open. Good. Close. Give yourself a little shake. Let's do the other side. Stabilize the forearm. All right, so make sure the forearm is nice and stable. Close. All right, got it. And then open the fingers. We want 5 times. Bring it all the way in. All right, we're doing really good. That's nice. Let's close. 3 more times. Good. This really helped me. All right, when I was teaching, a lot of assisting, lifting people's bodies, my wrists got injured. These little movements really helped me. All right, let's open, close. Give yourself a little shake. All right, now we're going to head over to the hands and knees, and I want you to kind of do just a little side-to-side motion, so you can kind of root down through the heels of the hands. That's nice. Grip all your fingers. Now we're going to do little wrist push-ups. So let's inhale, come up onto the knuckles. Exhale there. Inhale again onto the fingertips. Exhale to the knuckles. Exhale down to the heels of the hands. Up to the knuckles. Up to the fingertips, down to the knuckles, down to the heels of the hands. 1 more. Up to the knuckles, press. Up to the fingertips. Last one. To the knuckles, down to the heels of the hands. Side to side. All right, now we're going to work the wrists with the fingers in. We're going to close the fingers and straighten the hands. This should feel like a stretch. We'll hold that for 5. We have 1, 2, 3. This is also a really good warm-up if you're doing some hand balancing. For 4 and 5. Exhale, bend the elbows. Inhale, straighten. We do 5 times. Bend the elbows, straighten. 3 more times. Bend the elbows, keep the thumb close, straighten. 2 more times. Bend the elbows, straighten. Last one. Bend the elbows, straighten. Good. Come up onto your knuckles, make a fist, lift the knees. Connect it into the core. And exhale, we put it down. Separate the knees. Now we're going to stretch the wrists. Fingertips point back towards your feet. You make sure your hands are parallel with each other. And then we're going to just kind of rock back and forth. You can even let the heel of the hand come up and then press it down. Good. One more time, heel of the hand up, press it down. This one's harder. Ready? Keep the heel of the hand down and then scoot it back. Let's hold that for 5. We got 1. You want to feel a little stretch? 2, grip your fingertips. 3, good, let it stretch. For 4, almost there. 5, root down into the heels of the hands and lift your fingertips up. Good, we got 1. This is surprisingly hard, huh? 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, all the way down. Increase the range of motion. Give me little pedals. Good job. 1 more. And then knees together and shake from the elbows. All right, looking good. And now, come up to a bent knee position. We're going to stretch out the wrists even more. Let's place the hand all the way under. And you're going to step on the hands. This is Padahastasana. We can keep the knees bent if your hamstrings are not ready to straighten. But if you can straighten, inhale, straighten the legs. Deep breath in. Exhale, fold. 5 breaths. 1, 2. You can lean a little forward and really step on the hands. For 3, 4. Almost there. 5, inhale, chest is forward. Exhale here, remove your hands. Take the hands on the ground. And then step it on back, knees down. Grip your fingertips, and we're gonna push a little weight forward, pull a little weight back. Again, let's push a little weight forward, pull a little weight back. 2 more times, bring it forward, pull it back. Get your fingertips, your knuckles, your heels of the hands, all the way down. Pull it back. Last one, we reach, reach, reach for 2, 3, 4. Draw the navel in and let's hover the knees for bear crawl for 1, 2, 3. Almost there for 4 and 5. Sit it down. Let's walk the knees in. You're going to cross your feet. We're going to come down to seated. Shake out the hands. Good job. Shake out the hands. Nice. Just like that. Shake out the elbows. Okay, we're going to do a little release. Sometimes tension in the hands can also come from the neck. So let's just do a little neck release. Good. And then we're going to also extend the arm, pointing the finger down. Good. Just kind of floss the nerve by bringing the hand a little down and up. Good. Find out the place where it really kind of, stretches. And then hold for 1, 2, 3. Press through the heel of the hand. 4, this could feel nervy. 5, center. Let's switch the sides. Drop the head down, bring it over. Lift the arm up. Good. We want to kind of floss by saying hello and goodbye. That looks good. Let's do like 1 more. Nice. And then hold the place where, yes, you really feel it. Good. Oh, release that tension for 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh, all this new space. Last little wrist stretch to release. So you're going to close your wrist and bring the hand down. Point that in, and let's hold for 1, 2. This is such a good wrist stretch. This brought me so much relief. We have 3, 4, almost there. 5, open, close, little shake. Check out the hands, they should feel pretty different. Other side, bring it down. It's good to remove any jewelry before this and just point that fist in for 1, 2, 3, 4, and open, open, close, shake it out. All right. You can do these movements as a warm-up for your yoga practice or as a therapy if you have a wrist injury or if you have a lot of pain in your hands, whether you get that from typing or texting. The last thing I want to share is be careful of your hand position or your thumb position when you're practicing yoga. Don't put your thumbs too wide. Don't make an L shape when you're practicing, otherwise you can stress out the thumb. Just keep it in a nice neutral position. This will really help you in your yoga practice. All right, close your eyes. Bring your hands together. Feel the pulse of the fingertips and tune into the vibration and frequency of healing, and invite that healing into your wrists, into your hands, into your whole body. A long deep breath in. As you exhale, softly open the eyes. Thank you so much for joining me in the practice. May you be happy. May be peaceful, may be filled with love. Namaste.